Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to get the Tumored Battle in the Battle Bricks. So this unit isn't unlocked through the normal shop, so you will need to follow a specific set of steps inside the map to get it. So to get the Tumored Battler, you need to start by joining any of the public match, and you need to head to the side area of the lobby where the mutation pods are located. Then you need to look for the pods with the broken glasses. So that's the trigger for the quest. Then you need to interact with the note behind it and you will activate the mutation challenge. Next, you must defeat the mutated enemies during a live match. So these enemies spawn randomly in late waves, usually after wave 15. Every time you defeat one, you are going to earn the mutation energy. So you need to collect enough energy until your bar reaches full. Now once it is full, you need to return to the lobby and go back to the broken pod. A prompt will going to appear allowing you to convert your mutation energy into the Tumored Battler. So you need to confirm the interaction and the unit will unlock permanently in your inventory. So if the mutated enemies don't spawn in your server, you can try switching to a different match, because some servers roll different wave patterns. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.